Go.
Alright. Down here. Alright, I'm confident this should work. Ready?
Yep.
Oh! Yo, the heat went. I'm Nick Del Pazzo, and this is the Lion Milk Carton. There. Alright, you ready for this? Yeah.
Stop.
Let's get some air in. It's not gonna work. Do it at the ready? It's actually working. I just gotta put some fins on it or something.
Yeah.
Alright, what else should we do?
Okay, Nick, stop. Nick! Stop!
Where's the aerosol?
That's what you did.
I got it.
It's off! It's off! Oh god. Don't fucking go.
It's off. Alright.
Oh, it's still on.
Where?
Look. A little bit.
Ah, they put it out. I like doing that. Is it still on?
Yep.
Yeah, it's cooking the fuel on the bottom. Yo, you have to compress the air.
Yes, I do.
What you gotta do. Alright, I'm Nick Del Pazzo. This is the homemade rocket engine. It's fueling this, blowing in compressed air.
That was fucking cool.
There's actually a lot of pressure coming to that.
That was effing cool.
Oh, we got some. I gotta get. It's feeding back. I'm afraid. You got it? Alright, this here we made, from the can. We made, it's pretty much a makeshift rocket engine. We have fuel in here, we have a lighter to light it. Now this is compressed air. We have to blow into here to feed the oxygen, feed the flame. It is, this pop lot.
Yep.
Ready? Alright, this is a homemade rocket engine. We have two compressed air. We have a can filled with aerosol or anything flammable. What we do is light it. We have to keep feeding with compressed air to feed the flame inside.